Garrulous and taciturn. Yes, garrulous and taciturns are two most important English words. So first word is garrulous. What is the meaning of the word garrulous? Garrulous means talkative, or you can say chatty, chatty or talkative. So if a person talks too much, you can say he or she is a garrulous person. So garrulous, talkative, chatty, garrulous. And on the other hand, taciturn. Yes, the word is taciturn. Taciturn means a person who does not like to speak a lot. And you can say a person who is quiet most of the time. So taciturn, the person who doesn't like to talk much. Taciturn. So garrulous, talkative, and taciturn, very quiet person. Garrulous, taciturn. Assalamu alaikum.